swimming.
Yep, got ya.
Oh, oi, double hooker.
Double hooker. Oh, got ya. Got it. I reckon we'll clean one up here just. There's gotta be one in here. We wait quick on this side. Oh, watch out. Don't wanna, you're gonna go in. Oh, shit. I guess the thing is, yeah, there's good spots everywhere here. Yeah, it would. So after not having a lot of success on this river, Josh and I decided to head back to the U, pack up and try another location, another river. And we had some good success here with some yellow bellies, so yeah, we thought we'll give it a go. There might be the odd cod as well. Oh! Josh is on.
hold her out. Tip of a snag, a little bit of shade. Let it sink as soon as it hit the water. Absolutely jam.
That's a good piece of gold there, mate.
Absolutely jam me on the drop. Little jackal, TN60. Can't never really go wrong in that colour, especially.
So yeah, as you saw, Josh just caught a good yellow belly. I actually just caught a smaller one before him 5 minutes ago. Just forgot to turn my GoPro on, but we'll fish a bit more and see what happens. Yeah, just caught this good looking fat yella just off the same snag as just caught his pretty much. Yeah, this time I just let the lure sink a little bit deeper, just in the middle of the water column pretty much, and gave it a few twitch, and this boy jumped on hot. So yeah, pretty stoked about it. Just got another bite. Good one.
Yeah, not bad fish.
Oh, that's a really good yellow. Really good yellow.
Got later lip. Yeah, it's a good fish. So, another one. This one here, he hit me on a slow crank, sort of a little bit on the drop. I went for a darker selection of lures because we've got a bit of an overcast day pushing over. So usually when you get an overcast day, you go for your darker lures. And the old TN60 did it again in the black. Just getting the job done. It's a pretty consistent lure, this one, especially on yellas. It sort of, you can fish them multiple different ways. You can fish them super aggressively, or you can just slow crank them through to get a good vibration and have a nice, good, deep rattle. This is actually a pretty quality golden chunk. This one.
Really good fish. Really good fish.
Pretty
Josh.
quality. He's fat down the barrel as well.
That was a good hit.
That's what I mean. Like,
yeah.
Yes.
We on.
You filming? Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, that little tacker.
Oh, a little bugger here.
Little tacker.
He hit me hard. Hit me really good. When I came past the snag, he hit me really good. I had a hit first, I think maybe by a bit of a bigger fish, and then this guy here came in hot, and I actually thought he was a bigger fish because he hit me that hard, but he turned out to be a nice little aggressive yellow. So Josh is on here, middle of the water, while I'm tying on my other lure. Good?
Not really. It's a bit of a rat, but still a fish, nevertheless, isn't it?
Mm.
Oh, he's not too bad.
Not too bad.
Don't get me wrong, he's not as big as the last one is all.
So yeah, a bit more out in the open water this time, and
He's got a nice gold to him as well.
yeah, he's not a decent size.
He's got a nice gold.
Yeah.
Number 6, going back in the drink.
Back in the drink.
Nice cream release.
Straight to its lock.
Shot straight off under the log that you're standing on, Chris.
Yeah, that's it. Just putting a bit more of the color on. I got this dark with a bit of pink on, because since I put my black only lure on, didn't have much action there. A couple of hits, but I had more success with just a little bit of the color on the black. So yeah, I'm gonna try that. Put this one on. Ah, he came out. That's alright. That's alright. Because I had to loosen him up.
Yeah.
That's alright.
Just bizarre. Oh, you got him?
Got him.
Nice. It's just bizarre, man.
It's one of those days like, what's this fishing away?
I think that's 8, yeah. Well, that's
He's not a
yellow,
yeah, he's not a bad yellow, this one.
That's probably your best one today.
Yeah.
I reckon.
Oh, don't get it.
That's 20 pound. Don't let him get you on your rakers.
Ah.
That's alright.
That's alright. Happens.
It happens.
That's the thing with yellow, they just play up.
Oh, yep.
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 Joss is on.
It's like a little, like real little tacker.
Yeah?
Yeah. Like he's not even pulling string. Well, he's pulling a little bit of string. I think it's the smallest one for me today.
Yep. Beauty. Good yellow.
Number 8, number 9.
Yeah. Lost 2.
Not a bad fish. They're pretty consistent.
Yeah.
He's dark. He's real dark, this fella. But every other one since has just been on the slow crankcase.
Yeah.
It's just the slow.
Oh, he's a beauty.
He's dark.
Look at that colour.
That's probably the darkest yellow I've ever caught. See, this is the reason why they're called yellow belly. Because this is usual colour for them. They're dark with a bright yellow belly. Real name's golden perch.
Yeah.
So, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Hit record and made magic moment.
What'd you do there?
Went back to that old snag, waited a couple of seconds, let it roll in that middle water column, and this fish threw pretty good. Plays up a lot, so I'm gonna get him up quick. It's a good fish.
Looks like he's playing up a bit.
Yeah, you wanna go down?
Might be a cod. Where's it? Look for some colour.
Good.
Another good yellow. That's fish on the bank. That's fish on the bank. Up to the grass. Good fish care. Don't want to put them in rocks and sand.
100% it is.
Gotcha.
Yep. Good one.
No, yeah. There was 2. There was another one swimming with it.
Really?
Yeah. There was literally just seen a flash of a second one swimming.
Yep. Gotcha.
Oh, oi, double hook up.
Double hook up.
Hook up. Double hook up.
Oh, how good is this?
Nah. What's yours?
Oh,
look at
tiny.
that. Wait, look.
Look at the size difference, but he plays right up. Right, well, let's get him up.
Oh, that's great.
One,
It's got another one. About 3 cranks in, just sitting off the snag. This is ridiculous. I don't even know how many fish are up to at this point.
we stopped counting.
He's not a bad yellow either.
He's a really good yellow. Yeah, let's get him up a drink.
Another one.
Beautiful.
Number 640.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, she's been a good morning. Been a really good morning on the yellow belly bite. They're pretty consistent. Done all the damage. What'd I get? What, probably about
Probably 12.
13?
Yeah.
12, 13 on that lure.
So yeah, as you could see, Josh and I had a pretty good day on the river. Really good session. Really good yellow session. So yeah, we're happy. It's about midday now, so we'll pack up now and make us way home. Have a steak sanger on the way, and see you guys next time. Cheers.